Genda.
Katsazeeko.
Mwitawo.
Genda.
Shame on this government. Really?
You can see many trucks ahead of us, others are behind us.
No, magere.
Military police. He's in that car ahead of us. Motoka ya Electoral Commission chebatuwadde ogiraba.
Genda.
Nemulaba obutitiri omwina mundu naye mutitiranga abaana bato. Batitizi mwina mashini nemutya bato.
That's God. The God of Isaac, the God who created all of us, that's God. He sees what you're doing and the influence you're doing. He sees it. I'm a journalist, but what people are doing is uncalled for.
Bagezako okugaana okulemesa okuyingira. They want to put him under house arrest.
Where are we now? Tubatayize motoka yaffe sugijjaawo baleme kuvaayo okitegeera. Numbiyani tetukkiriza kuvaayo webituuka. Zizo military okuperi basajja batukubye nzenna ngenda kulaga batunyiza obusajja ne bankuba pisita eno mu mutwe ninasika mu jaketi yange batukubye bubi nnyo ne bamutujjako ne tugaana ne bamusika ne bamuzeeri ne bamukubye bubi nnyo nakana akamotoka ke batuwadde mbu kakuma mukulembeze nga kali awo katunula butunuzi tebagenda yingira genda tetubeetaaga tujja mwekuumira
era obukumi wa President Museveni tukulaze tetwetaaga
zizo zonna emmotoka ziringa 10 balina mundu naye batya balina buli kimu nga bebeewaana naye batya
Edi obuyinza babulina ku mundu
oba okitegeera
balina buyinza ku budde mu basajja
balina bw'abantu kale olutuka magere mutulinde tujja site
yabakamandere kusemuzo muzea kukumalite
jangu ewaka inya boda zizo zonna 99 zitwala omuntu omu 99 Nabi Sharifu takulawo kubira Sharifu takulawo tebamanyi na wakudda kamotoka kakali tebamanyi na wuwe bamala gavuga
Muzeyi Museveni obuyinza bulina ku muntu tabulina ku budde ajja kufa ne bw'aba ayagala nnyo agenda kufa mugenda sigalawo nga tetuli bakyali baffe tugenda kukola mwenna oyo yagenda obakulembera baboyi temugenda kuddamu kufuna mitwalo 2 mugenda kufuna kakadde wagirinyiramu temugenda kuddamu kufuna kyabiri kakadde wagirinyira
afande oyo wokubiri afande oyo wokubiri oyo lesekeni alo wewe
tebamanyi wakudde motoka eyimiridde babuuza wobeeno laba bagenze gende
onasobola okuyisa emotoka eyo amayise emotoka
ayitawo
bamutute eri oba
kyonna kyebaagala okukola
bakikoleekasangati bamutute kasangati abaana bekasangati mukibeeremu
Chaka nawe. We don't know they're taking him. I'm going to go on the balinga abavuddeyo bagere suicide eri
mulina mu motoka ye
bagezaho okugula walingi ne balemwa
magere geti ani akulima nenda muganda wange geti magere kula bulungi
ate ngamba
magere wakaji
tebamanyi jawo bakumuzza tebamanyi wuwe tebamanyi makubo abekasanda titujja mubeere ku makubo
gundi
Oda agenda kiri akiseeko bisi.
Jamani!
Mwana agenda leta chuma hicho.
Gambo yo wabote.
Boda. Bana daya chuma gadi.
Chuma kikude.
Wala gadi kuda wasi.
Nete bamujia unga. Mwana boda kile.
Heading towards Bobi Wine's home in Magere. So many military cars. All these military vehicles at the front and behind.
Uganda, we can assure you we are not going to die. We are here in the struggle. This order must have come from Mr. Museveni, President Museveni himself. And order to put our Mutula. And order to put our Monsio na tuanoka nembade boy nanu ngoda itabazu then continue then kuluzengu igana bata yagala yo kulonda bwana mwe temugezana muyingira temugenda kuyingirayo temugenda kuyingira mugenda sula waweru mugenda kusula waweru nakwata mukama amwe mutunula butunuzi nakwata mukama amwe mutunula butunuzi
These are enemies, not friends. They are not. Bobi Wine is right in that.
Mutabaniwo alimu emmotoka gyolaba. Mutabaniwo alimu emmotoka gyolengera mu maaso. Bamusubiza eyo emmotoka gyolaba eyo giraba eyo. Eyo vaani eyo ogiraba eyo vaani eyo.
This is the hate of fear. Gambi takula huu. Okay.
Takula wewe.
Banage bagenda kugulawo by force chef bamukwate. Honorable Kyagulanyi.
This is a presidential candidate.
Mugenda kugamba mulina gye mugenda kugamba
mumutuusiza mumuleke webanzika banzika wano wenyini uganda
You see their guns in the car?
batambula n'ebiyiso mutufumise ebiyiso aliwe. What is the problem?
Jogabo Solomon okutambulira wo.
This is his compound.
Hey, bamutte. 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 Go.
Honorable Kyagulanyi.
What's the problem?
Siap, yang mana office? Tu fais
Gendo kukole Rwanda.
Muhani tugende.
Tuveo.
So what is it? I don't know what his plan is.
Bamutadewa
ababusemu abantu banji tebagala kumatira gasi.
President ngabwali mubanda ababuse mu kivani.
Esinga yide motoka ne.
Abana muje.
Tugenda ku office bajje.
Muje tugenda ku office.
Bakwata abana labe bakwata. Oya japichi.
Yakubye Eddie Eroyo era
genda. Tukirize motoka ina Daniel kuyitako.
Genda maaso.
Mr. President ali mukutambula era ebisajja ebya military police.
David.
Bibyagala kwa musajja wa
Selector.
Kuno bagala kudamu kwata. Bagala kudamu.
Kulawo.
Watch. Bagala kudamu kwata. Babo, Mr. President bali naye. They want to arrest him again. They are with him.
Ajamuno.
Mugamba ajamuno. Genda yo. Genda yo. Tulete motoka yafe. Genda yo bring him to our car.
They are arresting him again.
Yes, they are arresting him again. Yeah. This is what is happening. They're now tear gassing the whole place. We are in Magere. Tuli Magere banange. Banange buli omwa kole kyasobola. We are in Magere. Let everyone do what you can. They are now tear gassing the place. We are supposed to be launching our manifesto today, and we must launch it from our headquarters. But what they are doing is showing that these guys, they want to do only wrong thing today. We kept the law. We have followed their
Bobby went down the left of the
security. Provide me security. I am going to my office like anybody else. If you're taking orders from somebody, let them explain. You are continuing to expose yourself as a person who is deployed on me to oppress me, to torture me. In your watch, they have broken my window and pulled me out of my car and tortured me. So you can say what you want, but you are talking to a presidential candidate. And I'm representing the people of Uganda. And Angume, you are an officer of the law. You are expected to respect the law. Okay? I am aware that office in the people of Uganda.
They removed the election.
Tear gas.
Just nominations and it is
Just go to your vehicle.
just close our window.
Just go to your man. Am I the one who broke
I
it?
saw you.
Wait, don't
I
beat
don't know your name, but I did it. I saw you.
me.
Why you denying?
Ati bano abantu. Abantu watotuma ngoba kola mulume. Ngoba gonzeza.
Newe baba batwadde tukuma tebanyi.
Kati
Baba batwadde tukuma.
If you are my security like this, take me to my office.
Let us go there.
To my office.
Let's go to the office.
To the office. I am going to my office.
Let's go to the office. Let's
You are
go.
breaking the law. You are breaking the law.
We are going to the office.
This man you see is called Angume. Yes. He is the same man that knocked a person there and he broke his leg. Keep quiet. I want you to know young of Uganda all over the world. Fire all over the world. I want you to know that we the people of Uganda, we the young people of Uganda refuse to be slaves in our country. Yes, Mr. President. We refuse to be slaves in our country. We have not done anything. Angume, if I am a criminal, arrest me. But if I'm a presidential candidate, and you as police have given me security, can my security lead me to my office?
It's a humble request.
Can you lead me to my office?
say something Angume.
Provide the lead card.
Say something.
You cannot even respect the law. You are wearing our flag. This is our flag. This is a Uganda police uniform, not your uniform. You are supposed to respect it because one day you will not be in this assistance. You are giving an example of the young men and women looking at us now. Take me to my office.
Honorable Chagulanyi is expected to go and launch his manifesto in Kambocha. But this is what is happening. Yeah. Ah, man. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Knife bullets.
I can't access it.
Jesse,
Ginger. No. It's one of these tear gas. Sorry. I can't access him. I wanted to put him away. And find a way of discussing this because we cannot discuss in this environment.
Yeah.
No, do that for me.
I
don't know where he is.
He's in this vehicle. He's there.
Let's start discussing.
Let's go. Oh man. He has been placed in that vehicle and now it's being driven away. Yes. Mugamba kibamu.
Adi abadechi. Adi. Adi abadechi. Adi abadechi.
Ay, ay, ay. Tear gas everywhere. He has now been brought back to his gate.
Put in lock all the sides. They don't open. Go to the diamond and see a woman. Until when it's open.
Honorable. Honorable.
It's going to remember all of us.
You know, I don't know what they hit me with. So on the inside, there is wounds. You see?
Sorry.
The what?
No.
And the hand, of course. I don't know what. So you guys are just beating us up and even sick. You're not feeling it. Why? But you see, if he says why don't you allow us? I've been listening. Yes. So why did you guys provide security for him? You guys looked on as he was being harassed as they hit him now with the hammer. So why did you provide security? So you just said that the back of the security. What happened to the security at that time? Why is it a mass that he has to go home? So are you guys now saying, going forward, you're the ones going to be setting a schedule for you?
Honorable Kyagulanyi is in that vehicle, the police truck. They've arrested him violently. So that is the state of affairs here at Magere. Right after nomination, you can imagine how shameless these people are.
Yes, we are keeping the gate closed. We are going to close
Yes.
But this one was meant
Reorganize. I think so too. Don't you think we should talk to him? We want to talk to him. Unfortunately, these guys don't want anyone to talk to him, but he's in their interest. Let's talk to the other commander. Me and Joe, let's talk to him. Yeah, let's talk to him. Okay, let's talk to him. Yeah, just put this down, we talk to him from here.
I was guarding my president. The guy directly threw a canister at Kyagulanyi. I was taken to a sewing project. The canister threw Kyagulanyi. I don't know whether I survived this guy, but these guys are ready. They really want to kill Honorable Kyagulanyi. They threw the canister directly to Kyagulanyi. If we are not there, the guys got the whole eye to be now in this. So these people, they are pretty guns. A duly nominated presidential candidate. That's how they are treating him.